Now our topic is composite index, the calculation of composite index with the help of Kendall's method. Okay, here be clear. Kendall's method, rather it's known as a Kendall-Tau method. This method is mainly for the correlation. Okay, just like the others correlation methods, we are all familiar with the Pearson or Spearman correlation method. Pearson's and Spearman correlation methods, rather Spearman rank correlation methods. Okay, it's just like a correlation methods. Okay, Kindle methods basically for the correlation. It's established, is calculate the relation between the two bivariate data. Okay, rather it's two variables within a bivariate data set. It establishes the relation. Normally it's just like a correlation. This is values varies from -1 to +1, but this is not for the composite index. But here the analogy of the Kendall's methods of correlation, that is basically based on the ranking system. Here the analogy of the Kendall system, the Kendall's method of correlation, that based on the ranking, just like the Spearman ranking system. Both are very similar in the ranking system. Here the ranking system, here the Kendall's ranking system has been used by the researcher in reference to that context. The Aslam Mahmood in his book, most probably name of the books is Statistical Methods in Geography. He used the Kendall's ranking system, which Kendall's used in his correlation, rather Tau's correlation, and prepared the rank. And on the basis of that ranking system, the Aslam Mahmood calculate the composite index. It index is very much helpful to identify the scenario of agricultural index or agricultural productivity. Even in the student of psychology, use that kind of composite index. So be clear, this is not basically for the calculation of the composite index. Kendall's principle of ranking used by the Mr. Ahmad Aslam Mahmood, and here we are following the same principle. We are using just the ranking system of the Kendall's method to prepare the composite index. Okay, Kendall's Tau method is basically for the correlation methods, or it's very similar to the Spearman ranking system. Suppose this is the data, this is the state of Gujarat. Suppose Gujarat, this is Madhya Pradesh. Those are the imaginary data. This is West Bengal, this is Rajasthan, and this is UP. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is the name of the 5 state. First thing is the literacy ratio. Suppose in percentage 92%, 89%, 91%. Sorry, 92% and 88%. This is the male-female ratio per thousand of population, 9 to 8. This is 9 to 2, 3, 9, 3, 2, 9 to 7, 9 to 2. And third one is the mid years of cooling, 12 years, 16 years, 14 years, 18 years, and 17 years. Here, all are the imaginary data. What we will do with this data? We will prepare the composite index with the help of the ranking system of Kendall-Tau's that has been used by Kendall's in his rank correlation, in its correlation methods. Okay, first data is literacy, second is male-female ratio, third is mid-year is of schooling. Okay, those are the name of the state. First thing is that we have to prepare the ranking for the 3 kinds of information. Here the first information is literacy, second information is the male-female ratio, third information is the mid-year of schooling. So we have to prepare the 3 column of ranking. Okay, here for the principle of ranking, you can arrange your data maybe in ascending order or maybe in descending order. Okay, this is the rank for literacy, L for literacy. This is rank for the male-female ratio. This is the rank for the mid years of schooling. Suppose, Okay, this is 2 rank and rank 3. Okay, but you have to maintain the parity. Okay, if you follow the descending order, so you have to arrange all this column in descending orders. If you have to follow, if you try to follow the principle of ascending orders, you have to follow the ascending order for the all the columns. Okay, first things that is that you have to rank, rank all the column. First thing is that suppose mid years of cooling, which is the highest one, this is the highest one, put 1, oh, sorry, this is the highest one, then next is 17, then third is 16, then 14 is the fourth, and 12 is the fifth. Here I have converted this column into the rank. Okay, now come to this one, which is the highest one, 9, 3, 2 is the highest one. This is 1, then next one is 2, then next one is 3, then come to the point 9, 2, 2. This is the repetition of the value. What we will do in the cases of repetition of the value, in this case we will follow the principle of Kendall's method rather the principle of Pearson's ranking method. Okay, this is the rank 3, 2, 3. This may be 4 or 5, this may be 4 and 5. So put 4 and 5, okay, and divided by 2. Then what will be the result? The 4.5. Put 4.5 here and here. This is the principle of ranking. Okay, come to this column, which is the highest one, 92 is the highest one, and 92 is the 2 repeated one. This may be 1, this may be 2, this may be 1, or this may be 2. Okay, 1 plus 2. Okay, 3 divided by 2 means 1.5. So put 1.5 for this column, this box, and put 1.5 in that box. And what will be the next? This is 3. Okay, this is 4, and this is 5. So first thing is that you have to arrange your data or in the ranking system. For that ranking system, you have to follow the principle either ascending order or the descending order, but you have to maintain the parity. Okay, next is that just sum of the all ranking, total of all ranking, total of ranking. Okay, just sum of the all ranking. This is the total of ranking. Okay, just prepared a rank, just prepared sum of this column, sum of this, sum of this, sum of this one, and sum of this one. Okay, just with the help of calculator you can do that. 1.5 plus 2 plus 5, that will be the 8.5. Then 4 plus 4.5 plus 3, that will be the 11.5. Then 8, then 5.5, then 11.5. And next column is that the total by the n. What is the n? This one, this one, this one. There the number of variables is the n. Okay, number of variables is the n. N is here, the n is 3. Numbers of variables are the 3. N is 3. So 8.5 divided by 3. Okay, that is 2.8. 11.5 divided by 3, 3.8. So 8.3, that is 2.6. 5.5 divided by 3, that is 1.8. That is 11.5 divided by 3, 3.8. So calculation part is over. Okay, calculation part is over. Just total divided by n. N, total number of indicator. Okay, total number of attributes, that is the n. Last column is the ranking. Okay, just prepare, extend this column. This is for the final ranking or the final ranking or for the final index. Okay, okay, that is for rank. Prepared a rank. What is the highest rank? This is the highest. This may be 1 and this may be 2. Okay, this is 1.5 and 1.5. What will be 1, 2 is gone. Then what will be the 3? Rank 3. Rank 3 is here. Rank 4 is here. Rank 5 is here. Okay, this is the very easy formula, very easy to calculate. It has extensively used for the agricultural significance, not for the development indicator. Not for the development indicator. It is not intensively used, okay? But it is intensively used for the agricultural productivity, all these things. Suppose you can, on the basis of here, I have only taken the data of 5 states. So here Rajasthan, suppose all are imaginary, Rajasthan is ranked highest. Rajasthan are in very good condition, and UP and the MP value is 1.5, that is in poor or bad condition, that the other worse condition. Suppose West Bengal are in middle position. On the basis of ranking, you have to interpret all these things. This is the basic things, the basic formula of rank correlation. Okay. So now come to the point of formula of composite index with the help of Kendall's ranking system. Okay. Here the principle of ranking, the analogy of ranking is taken from the Kendall's methods of correlation. Okay, and we used it according to the Aslam Mahmood. Okay, now come to the formula. What is the basic formula of rank correlation? The basic formula of rank correlation is ranking coefficient. It is known as ranking coefficient index. So the formula of ranking coefficient index is R1, R2, R3, R to the plus n divided by n. So formula, this is the formula of ranking coefficient index. Rather, composite index replaced by ranking coefficient index. This is known as, this is a composite index because this is the composition of 3 individual value. So it is called as a composite index. Rather, better to say it is a ranking coefficient index. Okay. Here, those are the R1, R2, R3. So we are adding R1, R2, R3 and divided by 3. And ranking coefficient index, this is the column of ranking coefficient index that will come. Okay, formula is very simple. What is R? R is the number of attributes, and is the total number of attributes. Okay, you suppose suppose 5 or 6 indicator are there, then you have to divide it by the n. This is the basic principle of composite index, rather preparation of ranking index, rather ranking coefficient index with the help of Kendall's ranking method. That Kendall's ranking method is very similar to the Spearman ranking method. That ranking methods Kendall's and Spearman's used in the formula of correlation. Okay, suppose here I would like to mention one thing. What is the real rules of the Kendall's? What is the real formula? What is the true formula? What is the main formula of Kendall's correlation? Kendall's correlation, Kendall's tau, it is divided by T. Kendall's tau formula is C minus T, C plus T. C for the concordant value. Concordant means similar. Discordant means dissimilar. Concordant, and D is discordant. Okay. C, and here the CD value. Here the data set mainly based on the 2 data, that is bivariate data. It's mainly established the relation or identify the correlation between the bivariate data. Okay. Here the AC concordant pair and discordant pair derived on the basis of ranking system. This ranking analogy of Kendall's methods of correlation is used here to prepare the composite index. Rather, better to say this index is known as ranking coefficient index. Okay, better to say the composite index instead of composite index. Better to say this index, this type of ranking index known as, better to say ranking coefficient index instead of composite index. Here the analogy of Kendall's ranking, this is very similar to the Spearman ranking, has been used. Okay, this is very easy to compute, so student can easily do that. For agriculture purpose, to identify the agricultural significance, this has been widely used by the researcher. But for the identify the ranking of the nations, for the on the basis of human development index or gender development index, this method not widely accepted and not widely used by the researcher. Thank you.